boobies.
Oh, fuck. I gotta sneeze.
Riley look like Cliff.
Nigga don't like me, kill me right now. Otherwise, nigga, pipe down. Y'all niggas rap too loud. Nigga, shh, what's that sound?
Are you happy now? Oh my god, you said if I get a McDonald's, you'd shut up! I lied, I want Chick-fil-A now.
Okay, class, can you see God? No, you can't. Okay, class, can you touch God? No. So therefore, there isn't a God. Yes, go ahead. Yes, can you touch your brain? No. Can you see your brain? No. Therefore, you have no brain.
Go. Hi, my name is Tyler. Fuck you, Dad. I think you should really consider following me for more crazy shit like this.
All I want for Christmas is you.
And I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dancing on. Do the boogie all night long. Stoned in.
Hold out your hand, flip it around like this, and then touch your pinky to your thumb. Check if you have that muscle right there called the palmaris longus. If you're missing it, then congratulations, you're part of the 14% of the population that is just more evolved than the rest of us.
She let me touch it, so I asked her how it feel. She said she love it, but she wanna rap for real. So I let her rap for real, going deep.
Dance with me.
I'ma pull up in a goddamn rain.
I'm going work it. She said,
Cute names to call your short girlfriend. Minion Girl. Designed Toscano Wheelbarrow Willie Garden Gnome. Lord Farquaad. Aw. My Little Penguin. Big Nick. How cute. Kia Soul.
wait. Renegade. Go. Got one. Go. 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 Yeah. Go. Go. Let's go.
Oh, hey! What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Ah! Oh! Oh! Ma! Ma! There's a fucking raccoons in the backyard!
I say that I'm through, but this song is still for you. Now all I want is love that lasts. Is all I want, too much to ask.
Yeah, for question 5, I got 77. And what are you doing? Charlie, this is worth half of my grade. This is why I don't fucking like working with you, bro. You always want that weird shit. If we don't turn this in, professor's gonna fail.
Say hi, Jordan. Guess who it is? Your girl from the show, 13 Reasons.
Oh, I'm not on that show.
You not on that show?
I'm on Euphoria, darling.
Oh, Euphoria. I said the wrong. I'm sorry. I said the wrong.
Oh, the real question is, which one of you spawn of Satans put M&Ms and Skittles together in one jar? Who did that?
I knew the ball was a hoe. Pull up with the gang, you know that we buying it. What is your shit, nigga? What is you climbing? I am a beast. Look, nigga don't like me, kill me right now. Otherwise, nigga, pipe down. Y'all niggas rap too loud, nigga. Shh, what's that sound? That's me sneaking in your house. Looking for God, put you down on your knees. I'm all that you want, but not what you need, girl. Why? Tell me, why do you still love?
Come with mommy, mother.
No.
No. Oh. I see how it is.
There's some hair in my food. We made breakfast.
Solid down the street, show me when you need and it's yours. All I is, nothing feels better than it.
Ma, it's so cold, I think I'm done with ice. Birds, if I leave her, she gon' die. Well, bitch, you done with life. Okay, better not pull up with no knife, cause I bring guns to fight. Say you got that sack, I got that sack, but ain't no ones of mine. Nope. My little bitch say I'm getting too booed. I don't even like dubs of mine. Alright, but I look like without.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna say hi. I'm gonna say hi. You have to drive.
Okay.
You have to drive. You have to drive. Hi! I just want to let you know that I love all of your TikToks. And both of you! You guys are both amazing. Love your TikToks.
Those eyes open, cause I can't forget to go to sleep. The dark seeks dark. The dark seeks dark.
Hey Google, you got any tips for 2020?
If you lay on your arm until it goes numb, then wipe away your tears. It feels like somebody else cares about you for once.
Basically, just enjoy them. Enjoy it.
I'ma pull up in a goddamn rain. Never wanna do. I'm gon' work it. She said, jacuzzi, the water feel good on her toes.
Hey yo, famous relative check.
Means to live like golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden.
I promise, I already can see the tweets of everybody saying, don't drive and do this at the
Hey, so I'm on the plane, and then I look up and I read this. Instead of no storage, it says no stowage.
Let's take off the top, go hit the club. Do you know what it feels like to fall in love? Take off your top, ready to fuck.
Okay, throw it back, start a riot. Throw it back, start a riot. Throw it back, start a riot. I call that a fucking kickback, start a riot.
So the hotel we're staying at is steady dropping hints
I don't think they realize that he's my little brother and not my gay lover.
He likes my diamonds and my pearls. I said thank you, I designed it.
Much more than this, I did it my way.
Check the link in the description and find your favorite hoodies and tees now.
Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Oh, baby, running down to the river, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your that's her thought. I can see that from a mile away. Look how she walks. She like Drake, started at the bottom, gave me top. And now here nigga wanna throw the hands like Millie Rock. Okay, like nigga be talking until the.
But if the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You come over and you. Let's go. I love you and I wish I never did. I swear to God, you stupid bitch. Sipping Hennessy.
Right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last made me feel like I would never try again. But when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Get home, no stalling, I'ma pull it off. God put you in my life for a purpose, and we might fuss and fight, but it's worth it.
Charlie D'Amelio, she swallows her goldfish. She doesn't chew them. Swallows the goldfish. She thinks it's normal.
It is normal.
It's not normal.
Me with a girl?
Hi. Fuck you, bitch.
Me with the homies?
What's up, homie?
One bad bitch, if she do it, I say so. 2 big 40s and a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Put up a phone, not a blueberry Franco. My phone's moving.
Oh my god. I didn't see a fucking thing.
Outside. When I wake up in the morning, I roll up and count my money. I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy.
Babe, I wanna take. Can I take a shot with you?
Take us. You wanna get in there with me, baby?
Yeah, we save some hot water.
My pee-pee be a little in the shower.
Hey yo, Asian check.
I was like, yo.
A-part tip redact.
What?
A-part tip redact. Scavern.
What are you talking?
Raver did Scavern.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot.
Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night.
Gotta let it down gently. Oh, hi, Chowder. I'm not your boyfriend! Hey, are those cookies? I made them for you. Thanks! No problem. It's what girlfriends do.
I say that I'm through, but this song is still for you. Now all I want is love that lasts. Is all I want, too much to ask. Is it?
Or is it just a hit and run?
Work out for me, work out for me.
That's her thought. I can see that from a mile away. Look how she walks. She like Drake. Started at the bottom, gave the top. And now her nigga wanna throw the hands like Millie Rock. Okay, like nigga be talking.
Now what the fuck are we gonna do now?
If you spend a lot of time at your man's house, do this on their carpet. And collect your belongings.
So cute. What are you doing? Can I come cuddle with you? Can I come cuddle with you? Let me cuddle with you. We're cuddling with you. That's right, baby.
Addison, sometimes I feel like you need the hype. Am I right? That joke was kind of extra, huh?
Give you everything. Last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something.
Yeah, 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 yo, 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 yo.
My mama doesn't trust him. He's only here for one thing, but they say Doja hit so sticky. I said thank you very much. Bent the whole world over and said thank you very much. She's like pizzeria. Have a seat, please, IKEA. From the west side like Maria. I'm hot like grits.
Yo, what'd you say? Who are you? Do I know you? Nah. No, it's okay.
Girl with all that. Hey, what you doing with all that ass? Let me touch it.
It's like the only time I see your face is when mine is on my pillowcase. I don't ever wanna.
Check the link in the description and find your favorite hoodies and tees now.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Ooh, the trigger. Why?
Still for you. Now all I want is love that lasts. Is all I want, too much to ask. Is it something wrong with me?
Hey yo, really hot girlfriend check.
Not hot.
I know y'all see her, like you know, spin, something like. But I know y'all see how beautiful my girl is.
I see how fine my man's.
But that's not.
I can feel my face. I can feel my face.
I wish you would find your chill, cause Lord knows this shit get real. And for this price, you know you kill.
Look, nigga don't like me, kill me right now. Otherwise, nigga, pipe down. Y'all niggas rap too loud, nigga. Shh, what's that sound? That's me sneaking in your house with a chop. I'ma put that bitch in your mouth. Good morning, my name is Tokyo.
Oh man, done had to do it again. I done came in here with my brothers. I done came in here with 217. 217, say something.
217 on the track, man.
And my friends, we get turned.
Kurt bad like Judah, hot in the coupe and skirt. Am in the coupe like swerve. Damn, gotta have pop that perk. Good morning. Today is a wonderful day. Today.
PPAP.
I'ma pull up in a goddamn rain.
I'm gon' work it. She said, jacuzzi, the water feel good on her toe.
Got you,